And I think the one that everyone's been waiting to see is natural gas. Where are we going on natural gas? Well, nowhere really. And I put on here natural gas, steady as she goes. And a slightly perky green day on the hike and ashy as drillers cut rigs for the 8th week in a row. That didn't give us much of a boost, but it kept us above support. We have a look at this chart on natural gas. You can see where we are. Sort of a double bottom here against this green sort of last chance line that I pointed out last week. The rising trend line and this horizontal support level. And I said this is the line that must hold for gas to move higher into the coming weeks. And in order to prevent a pullback down to some of these other support levels down at around $2.35 and $2.15, somewhere around there. But so far we've avoided that. So let's have a look at the charts and let's have a look at the normal candle charts on natural gas. I'm going to do a separate video for this sometime today perhaps, or maybe tomorrow morning. So keep your eye out for that. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so that you don't miss any of those. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up, please. So there's that reversal candle on Thursday, forming a double bottom against that support line. I like that very much, but we do have this downward trend line above us just putting pressure on the price, and it's also where the 20 period moving average is. You can see that move on Friday moved up to just about touch that downward trend line and the 20 period moving average and this top pink resistance level. So that was too difficult to get through, but we had a higher high and a higher low. It's a hesitation candle, it's not a reversal candle. And we've got this double bottom potential formation with this bullish piercing pattern type candlestick set up on Thursday. So that looks pretty good. And we're holding above the 50 period moving average. So overall, I think it looks pretty constructive. There's no reason to panic. We want to see Friday actually reversing that. And on Friday we did. We got a higher low and a higher high, but we didn't manage to push up further through that downward trend line. It's not a significant trend line. If you look at it on a 4-hour chart or a 15 or a 1-hour chart, sure, it looks pretty significant. But when you zoom out and have a look on a day chart like this, it's just a very short-term trend line. They get made, formed, broken, reformed, all that sort of thing all the time. So it's not really an important indicator. But I would like to get above the 20 period moving average. But so far, I'm pretty happy with this. So that's natural gas.